It starts with
I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard I try. Keep that in mind and as I just want to explain it to the time. Time is a relevant thing. Watch you fly by as a pendulum swings. Watch you count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. Look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Try to hold on until you need to know. We did it all just to watch you feel. I kept everything inside and even though I tried, it all for the more. But I meant to be, will eventually become a memory of a time I I just want to remind myself how I tried. So it's part of the way you remarking me, acting like it was part of your property. Remembering all the times you fought with me, I surprised you got so things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me again. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What I meant to be will eventually become a memory of a time I tried.
Yeah.